Hello YouTube, this is BMW Lee. Today I'd like to show you 2020 BMW X3 M. That's right, this is Phytonic Blue metallic with the black Manascal leather. This vehicle before any option, this is $83,200. And this one has premium package for $4,000. And this one upgrade tires 21 inch, therefore $1,850. And this one has carbon fiber trim, which is for $850. And Phytonic Blue metallic color is $895. So overall, total this MSRP is $90,795 before GST and PDI and Freight. Okay, thank you very much and have a great day. Goodbye.
Mm-hmm.